One of the toughest challenges I ever saw my dad go through was when I was about 10 or 11 years old and he got demoted at his work. He was a bank manager in England, one of those old school entrepreneurial bank managers going out for lunches with clients and, really working his business. But he made a mistake in his business. He got demoted and he got sent to sort of the branch of the bank in the backwoods. And it was devastating for him. As you lead your construction company, it may be necessary at times to demote people. They're good folks, but for some reason they don't perform well, but you don't want to necessarily get rid of them. You've got to understand that it's a very devastating thing for someone to get demoted, particularly if their identity is tied up around their work. And that's exactly why you need to do 3 things when you've demoted someone to ensure that they continue to perform or regain a high level of performance in your business. And those 3 things are, number 1, give them very clear expectations of what you want from them in terms of their performance. Put no doubt in their mind of how you want them to show up every single day. Number 2, make sure that when they perform above and beyond their role and responsibility, that you give them specific and personal recognition, because that can help to give them that sense of security and a real sense that they're on the right path to regaining their former level of performance. And then number 3, if necessary, get them an outside coach. Someone who can spend time with them on a weekly basis, identifying how they're going to perform at a high level and holding them accountable for their performance so that they can continue on in their career and go from that temporary dip of demotion to perhaps new levels of performance in the future. My name is Anderton. I hope you found this video helpful. By the way, if you need an executive coach for your high-level leaders in your construction company, contact me directly via LinkedIn. It's something I do with my clients all day long. I appreciate you watching this video.